I will talk about how can you add receipts on your Decathlon app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on this sign down here. So when you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on my purchases here. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on add a receipt here. So then here can you add receipt date or total amount or till number, then transaction number and store number. Then you click on confirm. Then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.